Hi guys, Emily back with another video for you. We have another unboxing. This one is from Mrs. Bench or fidgettoys.com. I will leave the descriptions of everything I've got in the description box below. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Box is challenging. Good grief. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Let's bubble wrap. Oh, that's cute. They sent me I think it's a, oh gosh, business card with a dinosaur on it. That's cute. Yeah, I like that. And we got a packing slip. Alright. So first up we have an Oddballs slush ball. Because the one thing I need is more stress balls. That was sarcasm. I do not need more stress balls. Ooh, this feels good. It's got lots and lots of teeny beads in it that won't even show up individually on the camera. But that feels good. I like that. And they come in different colors. I chose blue because the other option was yellow, and I have a sensory issue with the color yellow. So there's that. I might talk about that in another video. So there's that one. And then we have Dimple Fidget. Sorry. I usually set my phone on Do Not Disturb for these videos, and I totally forgot. So there's that. I like how the insides of these feel. They're smooth and fit my fingers very nicely. I might attach that to the outside of my new fidget bag that I got in my last unboxing. And then the last thing that we got was, oh, he's cool. Cat's eating the packaging. This is Epic Dragon Stretchy. So, as you can see, he's a dragon. Got very cute little feet and a spiky tail, and big old wings, and cute stretchy horns, and he's filled with sand. He's quite heavy. I really like that. Squish. squishy, it's scrunchy. Get a good look at his face. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. As I said, I will leave descriptions for all of these products below. And please feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.